All right, couple inches of fluff yesterday, like 1 to 3-ish, over mostly southern Maine. But there were flakes elsewhere, so be careful. There are new slippery spots for you to navigate this morning. And it's not going to be easy because it's frigid. 10 to 15 degrees for the most part right now. Portland's 10, Lewis's 10, Bangor's 13. It's way colder up in the mountains. And there's wind, too. And this wind won't quit until the evening when the sun goes down. Right now, a lot of us have negative signs in front of the number. It feels like 3 below from Portland all the way down to the bridge, Piscataqua River. 2 below for Augusta, 3 below for Waterville and Bangor and Millinocket, and then it's just downright nasty up around Moosehead Lake and in the western Maine mountains at the moment. We have a high building into the northeast. This is going to give us a lot of sun today and tomorrow. And then finally, folks, milder air will return for the first time in weeks. We're actually going to get a mini thaw. Wednesday through Friday, our temps will be above average, 40 plus. Mostly clear this morning. Some roads obviously are still sketchy. At least for my commute, the main ones were in phenomenal shape. Thank you, road crews have been working their tails off recently. Neighborhood roads are going to be the slippery ones that don't get the salt treatment. Sun and clouds. When the sun is bright, it will be shimmering off all of those fresh powdery snowflakes. So make sure you got sunglasses today. And we'll have that ice cold wind blowing, which may actually blow some snow back onto a road if you come across an open field. That might be the case if the wind direction is, going parallel to the road, perpendicular to the road. Clear and cold this evening, wind settles down. Temps today 20 to 25, teens in our mountains, average high is 38. There's your wind and your wind direction out of the northwest, which obviously is tapping the cold from the Arctic. Tomorrow is very cold, but not quite as bad. A little less wind, temperatures into the lower 30s, a lot of sun. Wednesday, 40 degrees. Then we get a front to come through. Looks like a dry front Wednesday night. So Thursday's right around 40, a lot of sunshine there. Gets really warm on Friday. We might even hit 50 degrees. Unfortunately, we won't be able to take advantage of it because it will be pouring when it's 50. And the wind will be whipping around too a little bit. And eventually it goes to the northwest for the weekend and our temps fall off for the weekend and get cold again. Gale warnings are up. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Winds gusting to 35 knots. Sunshine today, but windy and cold. Highs in the 20s. Tomorrow, lower 30s with a lot of sunshine. And tomorrow morning, we will be in the single digits, so it's going to be a really cold start. 40 on Wednesday, partly sunny on Thursday, also around 40. And then Friday will be the warmest day, 45 to 50. Most of that rain that falls will fall in the morning, and it's probably a ½ inch to an inch of rain, and it will be windswept too, with some winds coming in out of the south. It shuts down Friday afternoon, and temperatures will begin a slide. And they'll be in the teens by Saturday morning, so we'll be waking up to some icy spots, some black ice. And then it's a cold day, but there's sun out there, so that's not too bad. We might have some rain and snow showers to finish up the weekend.
Yeah, you just mentioned it, and I'm sure we'll touch on it later, but like all that rain Friday then just freezes overnight into Saturday morning could be an issue. So.
Hopefully it's not a flash freeze, but we could have, some spots.
The math dictates that water's going to freeze, right? So,
It's science, folks.
It is just science. All right, thank you, sir.